and a oop, and a oop, and a oop. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So you guys are seeing me wear a hoodie, and it's not just a regular hoodie, it's like a cool hoodie or whatever. And that's because I cropped it and I did this thing where you can cinch your waist, and it's super cute. They're like high-waisted leggings, high-waisted pants, high-waisted shorts. Y'all catch my vibe. So if y'all are interested on how I did this, keep watching the video. And if you're not interested on how I did this, don't be a hater. So bye. Okay, step one. Take your hoodie or your crew neck or whatever and make sure that it's perfectly aligned with itself, so that way you can avoid any mistakes whenever you cut or sew. And once you do that, check if there's a pocket. There was a pocket on my hoodie that was right here, and I just went ahead and I grabbed my seam ripper. I have this one, it's from Hobby Lobby, it was like $8. And I went ahead and I just removed the pocket that was right here, and then I got a glimpse of my entire hoodie and I kind of eyeballed what my desired length was, and my desired length was right here. And what I did was I drew with a washable marker, you can also use chalk, just an even line straight across, and then I left about 1/2 inch of fabric under my desired length, and then from there I just went and I pinned the whole thing around. And this is really important to leave about 1/2 inch of fabric underneath your desired length, because whenever you fold it under and you sew this, it's going to create a tube all the way around the sweatshirt or sweater. And if you are going to be doing what I'm doing with the cinched waist, you're going to insert an elastic band through the tube and you're going to pull it through the front, and that's how you are going to have that cinched look. So this is what I did. Pretty cute, pretty easy. The hardest part about this, I guess, is just kind of like trying on your hoodie, eyeballing where you want your desired length to be. I kind of just eyeballed this, I didn't even try it on. Then once you're ready to sew, you just flip this inside out, so that way the seam is perfect on the front and it creates an even line. So that's really it. So it's the next day, and after it took me like an eternity on how to thread my sewing machine. Every sewing machine is different. You can literally just YouTube a video, which is what I did on how to thread it, because I forget. But yeah, I'm starting to sew. The line, is it gonna be perfect? No, but you're not really gonna see it, because whenever you cinch it in, no one's gonna be looking at how you threaded it. You just kind of want to try your best. But let me just show you what I have so far. Okay, so this is my sewing machine. This is the thread that I'm using, and then here's the jacket. I flipped it inside out, and I'm just kind of like following my mark. It's okay if your fabric is uneven on the inside, just make sure that you're following along your line. But as you can see, this is what I have so far. It's pretty good-ish, but it's fine. We're fine, right? Okay, so I finally finished it. I had to redo some of the threading just because it looked really bad, to where like, yeah, it would be hidden, but to me it just bothered me. So I redid some of it, and then this is what I currently have. I already slit the two holes in the tube, so you guys are gonna see how I did that. I made sure that it was perfectly aligned with the hoodie, that it was perfectly in the middle. And I grabbed my elastic band and I kind of gave myself like a rough measurement around my waist, just to see like what was comfortable. I didn't like pull it around my waist, I just gently like laid it around my waist. And then I attached the end of it to a paper clip, or not a paper clip, a clothespin. And then now I'm inching it around the tube. Okay, these are the two holes I made. Literally, like I said, don't worry, you're not even gonna see all of this. And I'm also gonna throw this in the washer, so you won't see that either. But I just took a paper clip and now I'm inching it around the tube. You can see the clip is right there. And you're just gonna inch it all the way around and then bring the elastic through the other hole, the end of this. So that's it. All right, so I just went ahead and I pulled it through. You guys are gonna see what I did. Whenever you pull the other end of the elastic through the other hole, you need to go ahead and put both ends of the elastic on the paper clip, just like this, so that way whenever you adjust the hoodie and the band inside the tube, you don't lose the other end and then have to like restart the process. Trust me, I've learned from my mistakes. So let me just show you the hoodie on a hanger. It's super cute. I finally adjusted it. This is what it's going to look like whenever it's relaxed and you don't want to cinch it to your waist. But overall, it's pretty cute. And like I said, you can barely see like my mistakes. If you can, like, bro, don't come for me. But it's fine. I think it's really cute. I'll try it on in just a second. These are the cord stoppers that I got. There were 4 in a pack. I got these from Hobby Lobby, and then this is what they look like. You just put both ends of the cord in here and pull it through, and then you tie a knot on this side. Okay, so the last step is that I just pulled the 2 ends of the elastic through the cord stopper, and then I finally tied like a super tight knot. I'm also gonna go ahead and cut the ends off. They're gonna be pretty short, but I'm gonna give myself some finger room if for some reason this ever comes untied, which it shouldn't. I have another hoodie that I made, and I tied another knot just like this, and I've thrown it in the washer like a couple of times, and it's been perfectly fine. So yes, this is the hoodie. It's super cute. Let's do a try on. All right, I'm forewarning you guys, my head is going to be cropped out of this clip just because I'm like too tall. So yeah, here's the hoodie. So this is a hoodie when it's like relaxed, and then this is what it looks like whenever I like cinch in my waist, and boom. And you can like always bring it up more. You can tuck this in and no one knows. You can even tuck in the cord stopper and bow. Look at that, look at that, look at this. So in this video, you guys already saw how I did all the steps, and then now I'm gonna sit down. Okay, so I showed you guys what I did with the hoodie, how I made it, not made it, but you guys get my vibe. How I drew the line, how I measured it, how I cut it, how I pinned it, how I sewed it, sewn, I don't know. But yeah, this is the video, and peace. I don't really know. So yeah.